How to emulate context menu key when there's none on keyboard. Imagine a keyboard that lacks when key. That's easy to emulate, you just press Shift. However, on the keyboard I have now, there's no right mouse key, or context menu key, or whatever it might be called. It's usually placed close to Alt and bears the sign of 3 horizontal bars or something. I'm very used to pressing that key, and not having it around slows me down, not to mention the annoyance aspect. How can I emulate it on this limited keyboard?
I think you're looking for Shift plus F10. Edit. Some smaller keyboards require you to use the Fn key in combination with F1, F12 to use them. Most of the time you can function lock with Fn plus caps lock or change the default behavior of the F keys in the BIOS.
The button you're referring to is called the menu key BTW. You can use Auto Hotkey to remap the menu key to another key on your keyboard, even without having the key on your keyboard. I detest the caps lock key, so I would use that instead. Install op, and create a notepad file, ending with .op, containing. This triggers the menu key, apps key, when the caps lock button is pressed. If you don't want to use the caps lock key, see here for a list of keys OC supports.
I found using Auto Hotkey with the following script seemed to work. Mapping to the context menu, apps key, menu key. For some reason if I tried to use just the Alt key, it didn't work. I needed to add another key in Showzen as it's close and easy to hit in combo. To have this mapping run automatically after a reboot, Win plus R. Type shell common startup. Copy a shortcut to the Alt script and paste it in here. Might say you can't, and do you want it on desktop? If so, say yes, then cut and paste it from desktop to the startup folder. NB if other people use the machine and do not want the mapping, use. Instead,